My name is Bisi Adewale. You can find me as Bisi Adewale on IG or as Bisi.Adewale on TikTok and at Bisi Adewale on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe and put on the notification. Thank you for getting in touch with me to get my new book, 7 Secrets Nobody Told You About Marriage. You will get this book shortly. But before you do that, I need to give you this very important information. You can now turn your marriage around by taking part in a 31-day marriage makeover boot camp. Yes, 31 days marriage makeover boot camp. If you want a bigger, better, stronger, and sweeter marriage, you and your spouse should be part of this 31 days total marriage makeover boot camp. If you don't want your marriage to be problematic, to be caustic, pathetic, and traumatic, the 31 days total marriage makeover boot camp is a must for you. So quickly click the button below to take advantage of about 75% discount that we are giving to the first set of people to join this boot camp. I am very sure that your marriage can never remain the same again. You know what? The most beautiful thing about this marriage boot camp is 100% online. So you will sit down in the corner of your bedroom, enjoy this boot camp for the next 31 days. We shall be talking about love, we are talking about relationship, we'll be talking about in-law management, money management. We'll be talking about tantalizing sex life in marriage. I'll be showing you the root of romance. Wow, I love that. I will be talking to you about how to connect your spouse, how to build an healthy marriage and transform your life and marriage forever. So what are you supposed to do? Just click the button now and get yourself registered for this bootcamp. Remember, 75% discount is just for the next few hours. If you don't do it today, you will miss out forever. So please quickly get into the bootcamp. I'm sending your book into your email. After you must have clicked the button, then you will get your book in your email. Thank you. See you in class. See you in better marriage.